Begin to type while relaxing and drinking your favorite drink and make at least $100 every single day. That's right, $100 straight into your PayPal account. But if typing is still too much for you, then that's no problem at all because you can always opt to just copy and paste and still earn $100 on the daily. Crazy? I agree. Fake? Absolutely not. Today's websites are new, legit, and 100% true because that's all what we really want for you guys. It's free, so you're not going to be making any investments or whatsoever, and you won't even need any skills or experience. It's also worldwide available, so no matter where you're from, you can join in. As always, we're going to be walking you through today's whole process, and we may even drop some tips and tricks along somewhere today's video to triple your income. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First things first, you want to go on typingtest.com, and this is a website where you can take a typing test, obviously, to test your typing skills and to improve, of course. As you can see, check your typing skills in a minute. Type away to join 150 million test takers. So, you can opt to take a 1, 2, 3, 5, or 10-minute test, and you can choose from either of these levels. There's easy, medium, hard. There's also benchmark and certificate, and then there's also some fun ones like tricky, blind, story typing, themed, and then we also have professional. So those are all of the options that you can type for the typing tests. Now, what you want to choose is a 1-minute test and then put its level to medium. And then select on start test, and immediately you're going to be taken to here where you can start the typing test and see how fast you can type in under a minute. As soon as you run out of time, your results will be revealed to you and you're going to see your typing speed and accuracy and all that. You can also take typing courses here, which we highly suggest that you do, and you'll see the reason for that as we dive deeper into today's video. When you click on typing courses right here, you're going to see a lot of different courses that will actually be very helpful to you. So we suggest that you try this out, and since you still don't know the relevance of this website to our strategy for today, just set this website aside and let's get right into the money making deal, since we know that's exactly what you guys are looking for and that's exactly what you guys want. But make sure that you don't lose this website because this is still very important. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Our first website is called Rev Com, and I know that we've talked about this before, but there's a ton of upgrades to it and you just have to see it all. Plus, this website has always been so great and has done so much good for a lot of our subscribers, so we knew we just had to bring it back. Anyway, as we can all see, if you transcribe, you can make $1.25 per minute. And the minimum audio or video file that you're going to be transcribing is 3 minutes long and even more. So with one audio or video on an average, you can make $3.75 per file. And the best part is that you can transcribe as many files as you possibly can. If you're capable of doing 30 files every day, then you could be making over $100 in a day, which is absolutely insane. If you're feeling a little bit crazy, you can do captioning, which is also priced at $1.25 per minute. 3 minutes minimum per file. So if you again make at least 30 in a day, that's another $100 on an average. And if you're feeling a lot crazier and you're multilingual, then I suggest you take advantage of the foreign subtitles option as well, along with the 2 others, because this pays out $3 to $7 per minute. So if the minimum file is 3 minutes, then you could be making $21 per file. And again, if you're able to complete at least 30 files, that's an easy $600 straight into your PayPal account. Now that's insane. So make sure that you sign up, because you guys are definitely not gonna regret it. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Next website, and our last website, is called Transcribeme.com. And as you can read on here, transcription jobs. Get paid working from home. Join the Transcribeme professional crowd and start working on projects and making money. Monetize your downtime. When you become a Transcribeme crowd professional, you will have access to the following. Highest pay. We have the industry's best rates, with earnings starting at $15 to $22 per audio hour, and top monthly earnings at $2,200, which is an average monthly earnings are $250. We also offer advancement opportunities for our special teams that include medical and specialty styles, which pay at even higher rates. Expert training. We're a leading work-from-home employer thanks to our intuitive platform, regular payouts, and steady work stream. Joining doesn't cost a penny. All you need to get started is reliable internet and a computer, like we mentioned earlier. You can grow and learn. We believe in promotion from within. Our transcriptionists enjoy their work and have career advancement opportunities. You can gain insight into various industries and boost your resume for any job market. You can develop your skills and grow into higher paying projects and positions. And there is flexibility. You can work from the comfort of your own home whenever you want and how much you want. You can transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. And when one clip is complete, our system sends another to transcribe. There's literally no limit to how many can be processed consecutively. So just click on Get Started right here to sign up, and then you're gonna see all of this. So just read through everything you want, but just really quickly, let's take a look at this, okay? Look at some of these benefits. There is no need to look for work because the work comes to you. You can transcribe whenever and wherever 24/7. You can work as much or as little as you want. And you can transcribe short 2 to 4 minute clips, not long interviews. Now that's just great, right? So go ahead and fill everything up and completely and correctly, and as soon as you're doing all of that and make sure that it's complete and it's correct, you can finish up the process and start working immediately and earning, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.